So barbers want to know, what do you do when you that's that problem? Of course, you unplug the electricity and you want to take these screws out. 1, 2, 3, and try to remember where these wires gonna go. Now you got all the wires in. This is where the problem lies. So you lift this one piece up. So you take a little flathead screwdriver and flip this up. This white, keep that over there. Now, the problem lies, okay, when you move your switch, here's that copper stem. So the problem is, over time, the copper stem, let's take this off. Take a look at the copper stem. Over time, the copper stem create scorch marks. That's a scorch mark down there low, and then it's a scorch mark at the top. And these two notches is what hit those scorch marks. But in the beginning, when you first bought your clipper, it looked smooth like that. So in time, those scorch marks actually prevent you from having contact with this little stem. So what you do, some needle nose pliers, you grab the stem just at the base, you grab the stem, don't squeeze too hard, just squeeze enough to lift it up. You see how I just lifted out? Now you see those two scorch marks? When you hit your switch, it drop right in there and it don't touch. When it don't touch, it won't. It go click, 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 click on and off. So you turn the stem around and you put it back in here. Now when your switch hit, it's going to hit a smooth section there. Make sure you squeeze it back down into the base. So you squeeze it back down nice and tight. Now you see, now your scorch marks is gone. They're in the back. Now what you want to do is you put the switch back on. Take your switch, put your switch on, push it down nice and tight. Now take this piece, drop it right there, make sure everything is nice and tight. Take your screw here, take this one, put it right there, and drop it right there. Drop it right there. Take this one, put that there, and drop that one right there on top of the white. Then you take this one, and drop it right there. And then when you go to turn it on,